Yep. Largest unique number given an integer array nums, return the largest integer that only occurs once. If no integer occurs once, return -1. Okay, so we have nums, right? We have nums. This is the array. Okay, so for example, what we do here is we'd look and we'd see 5. Let's see how many times 5 occurs. Oh, it occurs once. 7. How many times does 7 occur? Okay, it occurs once. There's no other 7s, etc. We're going to be doing that for everything in the array. And so we're going to, for our first loop, we're pretty much just going to have a hash map. And that hash map is pretty much just going to count how many occurrences each key happens in this array. Okay. And our second loop is pretty much just going to go through all the keys in the hash map. And we're going to filter out those keys if their count is equal to 1. And if their count's equal to 1, then we're going to consider them for the greatest. And that way we're going to get the greatest number. Okay. Because, yeah, here the output is 8. The maximum integer in the array is 9, but it is repeated. Therefore, the number 8 only occurs once, so it is the answer. Because we have nums equals 5, 7, 3, 9, right? I think you get the gist of it. 8 is the biggest number that occurs. Okay, cool. Okay, so what we're going to do is for I in nums. We're going to actually create a default or counter is equal default dict integer for I nums counter of I plus equals to 1 for y in counter if counter of y is equal to 1, then we're going to consider it for greatest. So I'm going to create the greatest variable in a second. Greatest y. And they said greatest is going to be -1 if there's no numbers. If there's no numbers in the array that only occur once. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to return greatest. Might be the easiest problem I've ever solved. Yeah, so time complexity is equal to O of n. Space complexity is also O of n because we create a dictionary. However, I don't know if this is the best solution, right? Let's think about it. Let's see if we can get that space complexity down to O of 1, maybe. Wait, let's see if any of the hints say anything about getting that down to O of 1. Nope. Quiz this. Wait. They just use a normal map. Sorted map. Alright, type shit. I think we're good. Alright, see ya.